Hi, this is Rob Gill from Rob Gill Realty Group, and today we're very excited to showcase our latest listing here at 2514 Littlefield Crescent here in Glen, Abbey, Oakville. Let's take a look. Now remember, this home comes with our 2-year warranty, which states, buy a home with us, and if you're not completely satisfied, we agree to buy it back or we'll sell it for free. For more details, please visit loveyourhome or ibuyit.com or give us a call. Now for your detailed feature sheet of this home or to book your private viewing, call the number on the screen 905-334-5883 and we'll be sure to set that up for you. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.